trying to get where we ever get. What a bloody. Alright, so today we're doing a little 2-night trip up to the Grampians. Gonna ride, go up Ballarat Road, go through Bannockburn, Skipton, past Lake Bolac. We're gonna come right up from the bottom of the Grampians all the way to Hall's Gap, and then we'll see where we go from there. Just waiting for me brother now. Alright, we'll see you down the track. Tops are out in force. Got some bloody fancy cop cars these days, and they're BMWs and whatever. Little foresty thing at Shelford. What is this thing? A Shearer. Shearer Royal. Oh god, we've just had to pull up on the side of the road. The bloody weather's turned on us, trying to get weather gear on with boots and crap. It's not much fun. Alright, let's keep going. Well, we're just about coming into Dunkeld, last town before we head into the Grampians. Oh, fuel's getting a bit low. We've got to go up that way, but I think we'll find a servo first. Oh, that guy's in a bingle. To the 4-wheel drive back there on the left. It'd be good if they had a Macca's here. Holy shit, there's got to be a servo somewhere. Oh, we just stopped at Dunkeld. Quick toilet break, something to eat. The bloody magpie up there, he's bloody swooping us. I'm not going to take my helmet off. He's coming for you! By the look of it, guys, we're in Dunkeld here. Last servo I passed was back here. I've got a feeling we're going to have to ride back there, because I'm on my last dot of fuel. And from there to there is going to take like an hour. I just got swooped by a magpie. I'm leaving my helmet on. That's huge. Alright, that is lunch at Dunkeld. I reckon I'll have just enough fuel to get to Hall's Gap. Well, he knows flashing, but because the bike was leaning over, we'll be right. get out of here. We can. Yeah. Caravan park. But it's a good view, isn't it, from up here? Beautiful. Hey. Oh, am I going to make it? 67 k's. I'm nearly empty. Have you booked your campsite? No, we haven't. We're screwed. We're camping in the bush. Oh, look at that for a view. Bloody awesome. Oh, so I reckon about the last 100 k's we were in such gusty wind. That side wind was just killer. Fuel economy's gone up the crap. Here it's a bit more sheltered. Holy shit, what is that? Is that sunshine? A little bit of blue cloud. Blue sky, I should say. Not a bad road up here. What? Oh, I didn't see it. A wallaby. Ready to launch. Test out your airbags. There's bloody thousands of kangaroos and wallabies up here at night. Yeah, this is definitely much more pleasant to ride. Nice little view of the Grampians. What do you reckon? We've got about 18 k's to go. Fuel light's flashing. I should have, I don't know how much reserve is on these. Normally I'd fill up at 350 k's. We've only done 260 because of all that headwind. It's just killed us. Oh, we're just coming past Lake Belfield, just outside of Woods Gap. I'll just about make it on this fuel. Next thing we're going to do is stop at a fuel station, fill up the tanks, and then maybe go and look for somewhere to camp for the night. It'd be nice to stay in a little cabin down here, somewhere warm. Ducks crossing. Come on, ducky, get off the road. I think you got to give way to the ducks. Yeah, I'm going to pull in there, Goose, because there's a little bit chockers. Get a fucking bowls there. That's not bad, $1.49 a litre. Really thought it would be a lot more. Oh, those little babies. Alright, so we've just been at the information centre, find out where we can stay. Everything's pretty booked up. We're going to go and have a look at the plantation campground. If that's too busy, we'll go down to the lake, see what it's like down there. Let's get out of this place. I'll just go up the bloody gutter. Are we meant to be on the footpath? I don't think so. Doesn't everybody ride on the footpath? Gotta go right, Chris. Go right. Yeah. We're going wrong. Going back to where we came from. We're on Mount Zero Road. Just about to hit gravel. Holy shit, that's slippery as fuck. Oh, I tensed up then because as soon as I hit the dirt, that was slidey's on the front tyre. Yeah, you really notice with the weight on your bike, all the camping gear. And normally I'd just fucking fly down these. Oh, there's a blue tongue on the road. There's a blue tongue there. No, it's a, was that a shingleback? It's a stumpy. Look out, it's a Volvo driver. Seems to be an awfully lot of cars coming from up here. Alright, we're at the Plantation Campground. It's looking pretty chockers. There's a big tent spot there. I wonder if you can just pitch a tent wherever you want. There's no toilet, nothing. Oh yeah, there is a toilet, Chris. Oh, there's probably a few camping sites here. Hey little buddy. Stay here. It's actually a fairly big area. Because I've got a toilet here. Camping zone F. We're fucked. I don't know. Alright, we're going to go and have a look at the Lake Lonsdale. Alright, we have found a camp spot. Lake Lonsdale. I think we're going to just set up here somewhere. I got my new steel pad on. I think mine will stay. Right, just trying out the new Denali Vortex free tent. It's got 3 aluminium poles. It's pretty good structure. It's pretty solid. That's the fly anyway. Alright, so I got this little nifty little table off of eBay. It's just aluminium, snaps together. That's the frame. You go slip that on top. You got to twist the poles, put that in there. That is that. Good little table. It's actually pretty solid. Alright, so this is my cooking bag. Just a Ryobi drill bag. In there I've got plates, got a cup, tea towel, sponge to wash, dishwashing liquid. Got my jet boil gas. Got one of those little Coleman Peak 1 gas burners. Just sits on top of the can. What we do is twist her on. Folds out. Got our Aldi's pot set. Bloody good value. It's got everything. All we gotta do is get it out of the bag. Right, so comes with a fry pan. Inside that pot we've got, it's got another pot. Inside that pot you have a teapot, and it seems my towel was all wet and it's gone mouldy. Oh yuck. I think I better wash that before I use it.
Oh yuck.
That's what happens when you put them away damp.
Oh no.
Alright, all we need now is the kettle so I can make a coffee. Little view of Lake Lonsdale. See the Grampians in the background there. As you can see by the bloody white caps how windy it is here, it's freezing. It's going to be a pretty cold night. What's for tea, Chris? Looks freaking yummy.
Bacon pasta.
Bacon pasta. And I'm having bloody chicken curry. If I can got enough water to cook it. Right, this says it serves 5. So I think I'll just halve this. Put a rough guesstimate. Oh shit. I think I just better put the whole pack in. Ah well, what the hell. If you don't put the whole pack in, the bloody...
You don't get
the flavour's at the bottom. Alright, so 1 cup of water, 1 cup of bloody milk. I haven't got that much any milk, so I'm going to use all my water in this shit. I'm going to be in trouble. This is my only water. I need enough for... Oh, you got a spare bottle, haven't you, Chris?
Yeah,
I might have to pinch a bottle off you. Shit. Oh, fuck. I put too much in. That's 600 ml. 1 cup is only, what, 250 ml?
You end up boiling it off. That's what I did. Too much water.
Alright. I better crank up the gas. Oh, yeah. Nothing like a bit of a campfire. Oh, it's nice. Pretty nice.
First time I've got the hand in there.
It's been a very cold day.
We'll get it where the weather's nice eventually.
Yep, one day we'll get a nice day for camping.